are coming in to to Fusion Restaurant. How hungry are you, D? Yeah, Nika? Nika?
I don't even think you need a break.
Oh, say hi. I love it.
What did you think?
Here we're getting our table.
Follow him.
See this. Oh my god. We are at, this is Claire's idea. Where are we, Claire?
Fusion Hotpot and BBQ. So one person will have one individual hot pot. Yeah. And then the price include one flavor. If you want the per flavor pot, this will be extra to 80 cents. Right. So,
Oh no, what do you want?
What's the choices?
oh my god.
What are the
spicy chicken pepperoni miso.
Chicky? What's your best one?
Tom yum miso, the most popular one.
That's the sour.
A little bit sour and spicy.
Fine, I'll go for that.
Yeah. Sorry, so one tom yum, one chicken and mushroom soup, and one pork and soup. Okay, no worries. Wait, what do you want?
I just want water. Because you pay extra for drink. I don't want to be extra.
I want to know how the hell am I gonna cook food?
Like this guy needed to stand up. Yep. Claire, can you please cook for me? Because you know. So are those cooked? What's in there?
My fork.
I'm so hungry. Oh my god. One serve of chicken, one serve of ox tongue, and maybe 2 serves of wonton.
Okay.
Thank you. That's massive. Can you get refills?
Yes.
Hindi ko understand. Refill agad.
I'm just wondering. We are about to cook, guys. So I'm just gonna put that in, like this, apparently. Oops. Yep. Doing my thing. Yep. And the noodles. How are you going? What is all these preparations? Like, bro, you did this. That's cooking. Check what they have in this section. What is this? Oh, meat. Oh, seafood. Ah, yum. Ooh, what's this? What's in this one? No. Matcha. Apparently, this makes pancakes. Like, you just press this thing. And it makes it like, oh my god, I can see it. Oh, that is so cool. It's right there, guys. Right there. Making magic. God, and then... Oh shit, poof. Instant pancake. Time to eat. Oh, there. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to see you later. And we're done. It's freezing!